The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is estimated that the most extreme cost for the coin might be around 47 cents with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. If the ongoing force proceeds and the Algo crypto can get consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand estimate demonstrates that the greatest cost might be $2.50, with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some combination, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. In any case, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market opinion. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recover its lost force and turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its imaginative utilization of irregularity to settle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and financial analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Consequently, they authored the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand. The Algo token Algorand organization's group has created interface libraries that will be an innovator. The organization likewise brought an interesting token Algo that is currently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating the speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage Algo. The immense potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal expenses. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are coordinated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, irreversibility, security, and cost viability. Algorand can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their exhibition and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand brilliant agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, exhibiting the future. The strength of Algorand lies in its component, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the Algo token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that brokers that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the Algo cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, Algo cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recovered its lost energy. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some high points and low points, the Algo token contacted the $1 mark. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 as per Algorand Expectation 2023. With any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of dim days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost gauge, the coin could cruise serenely around 33 cents with a greatest cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. Algo coin value expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the Algo coin could reflect monstrous development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has previously taken on the POS component and accordingly has gigantic development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal, and Algo exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand expectation 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various tasks based on it, given the progressions are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. Algo value expectation 2027. With organizations and local area financing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18. Which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand conjecture, however unquestionably practical as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our Algo conjecture. Algo Value Forecast 2029. Of every 2029, the Algo coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the most minimal cost, and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the typical cost of the token might be $1.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As per Algorand Cost Forecast 2030, the anticipated crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The Algo coin will ascend to $2.16 by December 2030, addressing a tremendous upturn of plus 900% to the ongoing cost. As indicated by our drawn-out Algo cost expectation, the token is certainly not a wise venture decision. With a 5-year speculation, your ongoing venture might be debased. The Algorand gauge appraises the cost might hit 1 cent by long-term N. Algo cost expectation expresses that future costs would cross $1.40, and its return on initial capital investment rate will be around 900%. So with a 5-year HODL, it will merit wagering on Algorand digital money. An aggressive bullish standpoint for 2023 has been made by Gov Capital, a crypto cost expectation stage, as it claims 2023 will be an impeccable year for Algorand toward the year's end. It might contact the